Greetings to everyone. I am Keshavadani from Department of Microbiology, Sacred College, Autonomous Tirupattur. My mentor Dr. P. Saranraj, head Department of Microbiology, Sacred College, Autonomous Tirupattur. My present topic is about co-cultivation of microorganisms for the biodegradation of poultry feathers. Background of the present research is study area of Tirupattur district. The problem we have selected pollution by poultry feathers, and the solution we are going to give a microbial remediation. Poultry feather pollution. We have collected the poultry feather from various sites of Tirupattur. Our current research work plan is bacterial biodegradation of poultry feathers by co-inoculation method. We are giving a solution liquid fertilizer production. Fungal biodegradation of poultry feathers by co-inoculation method. We are giving the solution feather compost production. Instead of trying a single bacterial treatment for the feather degradation, co-inoculation treatment and consortium treatment also conducted our present research. Bacterial isolated poultry feather by contaminated soil. We have selected 3 bacteria: Bacillus subtilis, Pseudomonas fluorescens, Pseudomonas aeruginosa. Microscopic examination of isolated bacterial isolate. The microscopic examination of Bacillus subtilis, the microscopic examination of Pseudomonas fluorescens, and the microscopic examination of Pseudomonas aeruginosa. Colony morphology of isolated bacterial isolate in selective medium. Colony morphology of Bacillus subtilis in Bacillus differentiation agar. Colony morphology of Pseudomonas fluorescens in King's B medium agar. And the colony morphology of Pseudomonas aeruginosa. Proteolytic activity of isolated bacterial isolate. Proteolytic activity of Bacillus subtilis, proteolytic activity of Pseudomonas fluorescens, and the proteolytic activity of Pseudomonas aeruginosa. Bacterial treatment for poultry feather degradation. We have taken 3 different bacterial culture. Feather degradation 1, Bacillus subtilis alone. Feather degradation 2, Pseudomonas aeruginosa alone. Feather degradation 3, Pseudomonas fluorescens alone. And by the co-inoculation method, feather degradation 4, Bacillus subtilis plus Pseudomonas aeruginosa. Feather degradation 5, Bacillus subtilis plus Pseudomonas fluorescens. Feather degradation 6, Pseudomonas aeruginosa plus Pseudomonas fluorescens. The best bacterial degradation is observed in feather degradation 2, Pseudomonas aeruginosa alone, and the co-inoculated method of feather degradation is observed in 5, Bacillus subtilis plus Pseudomonas fluorescens. Poultry feather degradation by bacteria. This is the image of the weight loss method for the co-cultivation of condition for single and dual combination of bacteria. The best bacterial degradation of poultry feathers observed in feather degradation 5, co-inoculation method, Bacillus subtilis plus Pseudomonas fluorescens. This is the image of the final product, liquid fertilizer. Now we are going to see fungal treatment for poultry feather degradation. Fungi isolated poultry feather contaminated soil. We are using 3 fungi: Aspergillus niger, Trichoderma viridae, and Beaveraria bassiana. Microscopic examination of isolated fungal isolate. This is the microscopic examination of Aspergillus niger. This is the microscopic examination of Trichoderma viridae, and this is the microscopic examination of Beaveraria bassiana. Colony morphology of isolated fungal isolate in sabrodextrose agar. This is the colony morphology of Aspergillus niger. This is the colony morphology of Trichoderma viridae, and this is the colony morphology of Beaveraria bassiana. Proteolytic activity of isolated fungal isolate. Screening of isolated fungi for its keratinolytic enzyme activity in skin milk agar. This is the proteolytic activity of Aspergillus niger, and this is the proteolytic activity of Trichoderma viridae, and this is the proteolytic activity of Beaveraria bassiana. Fungal treatment for poultry feather degradation. We are using 3 fungi. Feather degradation 1, Aspergillus niger alone. Feather degradation 2, Trichoderma viridae alone. Feather degradation 3, Beaveraria bassiana alone. We are using the co-inoculation method. Feather degradation 4, Aspergillus niger plus Trichoderma viridae. Feather degradation 5, Aspergillus niger plus Beaveraria bassiana, and a co-inoculant of feather degradation 6, Trichoderma viridae and Beaveraria bassiana. The best feather poultry degradation fungi is feather degradation 1, Aspergillus niger alone, and co-inoculation method of best poultry feather degradation is observed in feather degradation 6, Trichoderma viridae plus Beaveraria bassiana. Poultry feather degradation by fungi. This is the result of the weight loss method of co-cultivation condition of a single and dual combination of fungi. This is the best feather degradation of poultry feathers by fungi by co-inoculation method. Feather degradation 6 Trichoderma viridea and Beaveridia bassiana. This is the final product of fungal treatment in poultry feather degradation, feather compost. Physiochemical analysis of poultry feather compost, optimization of fungal culture condition for the feather degradation. We are maintaining different properties: pH, temperature, nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, sulfur, iron, zinc, boron and organic matter. The present research concludes that dumping of poultry feather waste emits bad smell and pollutes the environment badly. So the project is designed to formulate the novel bacteria and fungi for the degradation of poultry feather to produce liquid fertilizer from bacteria and feather compost from fungi. Thank you.